Hello friends, I am Laneige, so welcome to my channel that is all about enhancing what you have. How are you doing mentally and physically in these times? I hope you're well. Today I'm going to review Laneige Perfect Renew Trial Kit. It has both Korean and English instructions mentioned that is helpful for us international customers. This kit includes 5 products that come in sturdy dark blue plastic packaging. It claims that Laneige trial set from its Perfect Renew line lets you sample the benefits of its refiner, emulsion, regenerator, eye cream, and cream. These miniature sizes are perfect for travel too. Formulated with ceramide repair water and Himalaya snow water to deeply hydrate skin and deliver essential peptides to nourish and restore skin to youthfulness. Helps improve the moisture retaining abilities of the skin. The emulsion formulated with upgrade ceramide water quickly seeps through the skin to address dry and lackluster skin. Plant-derived natural oils optimize and maintain the ideal water and oil ratio inside the skin to prevent sebum overproduction and dryness. The eye cream protects the delicate skin around the eyes while providing rich moisture to make the eye area moisturized and smooth. That's how I look before using the mask. My skin is dry, flaky, with enlarged pores. I have blemishes and pigmentation here and there on my face. Also right now, my skin is pretty irritated as well because of the weather change. Now let's apply the products for the first impressions. All these products have a signature smell, Laneige smell, but it isn't overpowering, so I am good. This Laneige Perfect Renew Skin Refiner comes in a 15ml transparent plastic bottle, which makes it easier for me to check how much product is left. It has a runny texture, but it is thicker than water. I love hydrating products because my skin is dry and sensitive. Laneige Perfect Renew Skin Refiner spreads easily on skin without tugging the skin and absorbs in the skin instantly. It leaves a sticky finish on the skin, which I am not a fan of, but the stickiness goes away as I apply other products over it. It made my dry and irritated skin hydrated within seconds. My skin looks better already. Laneige Perfect Renew Emulsion also comes in a 15ml transparent bottle. It has a lotiony texture. It feels indeed lightweight. This emulsion spreads pretty well and takes a bit longer than the toner to absorb in the skin, but it still absorbs fast. For example, if toner absorbs in the skin within 10 seconds, this takes around 20 seconds. It has a faint signature Laneige smell that fades away instantly. My skin feels like it has gotten a boost of hydration as I'm using this emulsion. A few minutes ago, my skin was in such a bad condition, but now it feels instantly hydrated and my skin doesn't feel irritated anymore. It also leaves a tad bit of a sticky finish. It's not too sticky, as you can see. Laneige Perfect Renew Regenerator is Laneige's most expensive serum because the vitamin C in it is 4 times stronger than any of their products. I cannot afford the big one, so I think it is great that I got to buy the trial version. It's a 7ml plastic dropper bottle, but it's not transparent, which is good to keep the vitamin C in it stabilized. It is milky in color and runny. It has a lightweight texture and is thicker in consistency than the skin refiner. It spreads well and absorbs instantly in the skin. It is exceptionally hydrating. So far, it is the most hydrating product out of the kit. As I'm applying it, my skin has started to feel soft and I can feel my skin texture getting smooth. It has little to no smell and leaves a sticky finish on the skin. Laneige Perfect Renew Cream comes sealed in a 10ml tube. It has a quite thick texture that as soon as I started to dissolve, it turned into this hybrid gel-like consistency. It absorbs instantly and spreads well. It is very moisturizing, I must say. This kit does not feel suffocating at all on the skin, though all these products are on the moisturizing side. Instead, it feels refreshing and lightweight. This cream is highly moisturizing and has a non-sticky finish. The Perfect Renew Eye Cream comes in a 3 ml tube. Its consistency is like a thick cream, but it is not as thick in texture as the Perfect Renew cream. It spreads well and absorbs instantly on the skin. It has a non-sticky finish and my skin around the eye just loves this eye cream as it is very hydrating and lightweight at the same time. After using this kit, my skin feels soft and hydrated. The flakiness on my skin has gotten better. This kit has calmed my irritated skin. You can see that my skin doesn't look as red as before. Even the appearance of pores is better than before. Honestly, I'm loving the results so far. So, after 25 days, that's how I look. My skin looks brightened and even overall, isn't it? Do you remember that I had flaky and irritated skin 25 days ago? My irritation and dryness are completely gone. This kit has made my skin plump, soft, hydrated, and it remains like this at all times. I use this kit at night, and even if I skip skincare in the morning, my skin remains hydrated and doesn't dry throughout the day. And that's a big thing for me. Laneige Perfect Renew Trial Kit had made a significant difference on my pores and has recovered my skin barrier that was compromised. I just enjoyed this kit thoroughly and I think my money was well spent on it. In these 25 days, my skin never felt any burning sensation, irritation, and I never broke out. It is a great kit for anti-aging and I think anyone who has aging concerns like me should honestly go for it. One thing that this kit didn't work on was my dark circles, unfortunately. I didn't see any significant difference, to be honest. In this entire kit, my most favorite products were the serum and emulsion because of their moisturizing and anti-aging properties. I will recommend this kit to people with dry, sensitive, and combination skin types. Also, if oily skin types try it, I will recommend them not to use a lot at once as a little goes long way with Laneige Perfect Renew line. I will rate Laneige Perfect Renew Trial Kit a 5/5 and will assuredly recommend it to all of you. Did you like my review and do you have any questions? Let me know in the comment section below and I will reply to everyone. See ya, stay safe, bye bye.